how can I keep squirrels from eating my tomatoes? They take a bite, then throw it down, ruining the fruit. And this is Steve from Memphis, Tennessee. So we'll start with you, Mr. John. So how do you keep squirrels from eating the tomatoes?
You know, I wish I knew the answer to that question.
Yeah.
Something that would be not, require some kind of military action.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Well, I have used, now I don't have squirrels, I have birds that peck mine.
Oh, really?
Peck
Okay.
my tomatoes and just peck a hole in them and just leave them. But squirrels, could use that bird netting.
See, that's what I would do.
But, it's aggravating as all get out because then you got to work around to get your tomatoes.
Right.
But I think that would deter them somewhat. But that's a booger to have to deal with.
Yeah,
but I think it would keep them out.
I think it would keep it out. I would go with the netting, some type of cage. Usually, I hear about using repellents and things like that. I'm not big on that because
I'm not big on that either.
Yeah, because it's out in the environment. If it rains, it
right.
washes it off and things like that. I'm just use the netting. Yeah.
And it's
cumbersome.
fairly cheap. Yeah, and it's fairly cheap. Just buy that big old roll of bird netting.
Right.
It's not real stout. It's real flimsy and light, so
Right.
It's not going to knock your plants down or something.
Yeah, that's probably going to be your best bet there, Mrs. Steve. Because they will take a bite and just throw it down.
Yeah.
I've seen that in my own
I don't
garden.
like this one.
Yeah.
Maybe this one will
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
different.
Just
And
try it.
birds will do the same. They'll peck them so many times they just fall off.
Wow. Yeah, it is so tough.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.